Hello, 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 hello. Ito po si Tito Bulit sa hampas lupang may bulitas at ang pambansang otits ng UK. Tayo po ngayon, as promised sa mga kasama natin dyan na nakatikim na ng ating mead. Mead is M-E-A-D. Ang sinaunang inumin ng mga Vikings. Ginagamitan po siya ng honey. For this video, I'm gonna be using set honey. Yan, mukha siyang tulog na mantika. Well, it would be, I tested this already and it says that this had more sugar. More sugar means more alcohol. Right? Well, so back to our mga sahog. We're using orange peels with orange juice, and then of course our honey, set honey to be exact. For this video we are gonna be using three of these 454 grams containers, and of course we're gonna use water, and we're also gonna be using cinnamon sticks right there. See, cinnamon sticks. Alright. So gawin muna natin ay i-dilute natin yung ating honey. Kasi masyado siyang hindi siya tutulo. So, palagay natin yun dyan sa loob. Well, gagawin ko muna to and then we'll continue the video later. So, right. Bye-bye for now.